Everybody, welcome back to the channel, and wanted to get this quick video out since tomorrow is January 14th, 2020, and support for Windows 7 ends tomorrow. Right, so should you stop using Windows 7 and update to Windows 10? Yes and no. So benefits of updating to Windows 10: you'll probably have a smoother experience on Windows 10, faster. However, if you're a fan of Windows 7, then really there isn't much point in upgrading. It's like the old saying goes, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Think back to XP. XP, although support ended for XP many moons ago, people still used XP, and some people still probably using XP now, even though there's no support for the operating system. So a couple of things that you're going to need to probably do if you still want to use Windows 7. First off, security essentials. This is Windows 7's built-in antivirus, and basically it's now called Windows Defender. Windows 7 called it security essentials. Stop using it. So that's the top and bottom of it. Stop using security essentials. Instead, what tends to happen is third parties like Norton, Kaspersky, McAfee, and third parties like that tend to keep support going for these older operating systems for at least a few years yet. So get yourself some third-party antivirus software and you should be absolutely fine. Another thing I would recommend is updating drivers. Now, I use a program called Driver Booster from IOBit. It's a really good program. It's like an all-in-one tool to get your drivers downloaded and installed all in one place. So basically, you load their software up, you click the big button in the middle that says scan. It scans your hardware for out-of-date drivers and compares that to drivers that are found online. You click install, and Bob's your uncle. It installs each driver individually and then tells you, right, now restart your system. And it's done. That's pretty much it. Yeah, still use Windows 7. If you're happy using Windows 7, then keep on using it. You've still got a few years yet. Don't give in to all the scaremongering that says you must update to Windows 10. Just be careful, basically. Make sure your virus definitions are up to date from the third parties. And yeah, make sure your drivers are up to date, and you should be absolutely fine. So Windows 10, there's an update for Windows 10 coming soon in the springtime of 2020, I believe. Codenamed 20H1. And there seems to be some good things to come out of this update. One of the major things, I think, is, like I was just mentioning before, I use this software Driver Booster to get my drivers. That is going to be a feature of the Windows update. There's going to be a little section in there which says optional updates, and one of these optional updates is going to include drivers. So again, you'll get all your security updates and you can get your driver updates all in one place. Well done, Microsoft. So a couple of other things then. We'll have a quick look. So in 20H1, which is, again, like I say, is arriving spring 2020, optional updates. Yep. A new Cortana experience with typing, so you can type questions to Cortana. Also, cloud download to reinstall your operating system. So if you need to restore your computer to factory settings, this can be now done instead of a local install over cloud, so over an internet connection. Faster search engine experience. One thing that I did like, so in the Task Manager, so if you go into performance in Task Manager, that's in the advanced settings of Task Manager, you can monitor the usage of your CPU, the usage of your memory, the usage of your hard drives or SSDs or NVMEs or any drives. You can check out the utilization of your network, and you can also check out the usage of your graphics card. One of the new things that they're going to be implementing in this update, in this 28.1 update, is graphics card temperature monitoring via Task Manager. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing much. I mean, this is exciting. Text cursor indicator. You can adjust the size of and color of Windows text cursor indicator. There's some other little bits and pieces, but nothing really noteworthy. There you go. There you have it. So that's what's going to be coming in the new update of Windows 10. And like I say, if you're still using Windows 7, don't worry about it. Like I say, you've got at least a couple of years yet. They did with XP, and people didn't have that much bother. But if you're the average user that you're not sure about all of this kind of thing, update to Windows 10. There you've got Windows Defender and everything in one place to help you stay safe with security updates, driver updates, etc. Thanks for joining. Watch what you're all doing and take care. We'll see you in the next one.